friends, welcome to Honey Kitchen. Today I am making Indian famous green chili achar, or you can say Hari Mirch ka achar. So please join me. To make Hari Mirch ka achar, I have taken 250 grams of green chili. I have properly washed it, and then after washing it we have to make it dry them with the help of a napkin or any cloth. After drying it, we have to take this green chili and remove the stem from the back and then give it a slit from one side like this. So while doing it, I will advise you to put gloves to avoid burning sensation. Please wear gloves while making green chili achar. I have already given a slit to all these green chilies. You can just see. So now we'll make green chili achar. So to start with, we require a pan, and in this we'll first add 4 teaspoons of cumin seeds. We have to dry roast it for 2-3 minutes till we get a nice smell of cumin seeds. Now we'll add just half a spoon of methi dana. Don't add much of fenugreek seed or methi dana because it can make the jar little bitter in taste. So put very less of methi dana or fenugreek seeds. We can just smell a nice aroma and a nice smell of cumin seeds and methi dana. So at this stage we'll just switch it off. Now we have to add 1 spoon of mustard seeds to it. After this we'll add 2 spoons of coriander powder. We'll add 2 teaspoons of amchur powder, half a spoon of turmeric. Turmeric acts as a preservative here, and little of hing or asafoetida. You can just see it. We'll be adding just little of asafoetida or hing. Now we will grind this mixture in mixer grinder and we'll make a fine powder of it. So after grinding it, you can see our achar masala is ready. Now we'll fill this masala in our green chili. Now in this masala we'll add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of mustard oil, and mix it well. Now we'll take this green chili and you have to fill the masala inside it. Please ensure that you are wearing a hand glove so that you don't have the burning sensation on your hand or on your skin, because sometimes these green chilies are very strong and they might cause little irritation. And one thing is very important while making achar: it should be free from moisture. There should be no water. So the green chili should be dry, and even the utensils used for making this achar should be free from moisture. Now again we'll take a pan and we'll add at least 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil is hot, now we'll add this green chilies to it. We'll add little of asafoetida and we'll add little of salt. We'll add 1 teaspoon of amchur powder. That's mango powder made up of dried mango. You can get it in shop. you have to ask for amchur powder. So this makes the achar fully khatta, sour. If this green chili achar is little spicy, so you have to cook it little so that it does not have any moisture content left in it. We will cook it for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes we'll switch off the flame. Once it is made, now we'll add little of mustard oil. So I am adding mustard oil direct to the pan, you can see, without heating it. So it will give a nice smell of mustard oil, which really enhance the taste of achar. So now our achar is ready. Now we'll leave it and let it cool, and once it cool down properly, then only we'll shift it to the container. So friends, please note one thing. Before keeping it inside the container, it should be properly cooled down, because if you keep it inside the container when it's hot, it might get spoiled. So first keep it in open air so that there's no moisture content left in the achar, and after that you keep it in an airtight container, and if possible you can just keep it in sun for a few days. While you are keeping your achar container in sun, please make sure the lid of the container is open, because if you close the lid of the container and keep it in sun, so the moisture inside the achar will get condensed inside the container. So again it will spoil the achar. So make sure you open the lid and close the mouth of the container with the help of a tissue or a napkin or a plain cloth. But we require to leave it like that in sun, so that does not have any moisture content inside it. So friends, you can see our green chili achar or hari mirch ka achar is ready, and it's so simple to make. For more videos, keep on watching Honey Kitchen. Thank you.